Are you ready to make this Halloween extra special with your kids? Imagine the joy on their faces when they create spooky, glow-in-the-dark decorations or even personalized Halloween cards, all without the mess. If you've been looking for fun, safe, and creative Halloween craft ideas for your little ones, then stick around because I've got you covered. Let's get crafting. How can kids make spooky Halloween decorations using recycled materials? Not only can Halloween be fun, but it can also be eco-friendly. Here are 3 awesome ideas for turning recycled materials into spooky decorations. 1. Toilet paper roll mummies. Grab some empty toilet paper rolls, wrap them in white strips of old cloth or paper, and glue on googly eyes. It's a simple, fun, and environmentally friendly way to make mummies. 2. Egg carton bats. Cut the individual sections of an egg carton, paint them black, and attach googly eyes and paper wings to make adorable little bats. You can even hang them around the house for that extra Halloween vibe. 3. Milk jug ghost lanterns. Rinse out an old milk jug, draw a ghost face on the outside, and pop in some battery-powered LED lights to create a glowing ghost lantern, a spooky touch to your porch or windowsill. Got any fun recycled craft ideas? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. What are some simple, mess-free Halloween craft ideas for toddlers? Halloween with toddlers doesn't need to be messy to be fun. Here are 3 simple and mess-free craft ideas that your little ones will love. 1. Paper plate pumpkins. All you need are paper plates, orange markers, and some adhesive googly eyes. Let your toddlers color the plate, add the eyes, and draw a smile. 2. Ghost handprints. Trace your toddler's hand on white paper, cut it out, and let them glue it on to be. What are some Halloween craft ideas that help develop fine motor skills for preschoolers? Crafting isn't just fun, it can also help preschoolers develop important motor skills. Here are 3 Halloween crafts that do just that. 1. Spiderweb yarn craft. Cut a round shape from cardboard, punch holes around the edges, and have your preschooler weave yarn through the holes to create a spooky spiderweb. It's great for hand-eye coordination. 2. Pom-pom monsters. Create mini monsters using pom-poms, pipe cleaners, and googly eyes. Let your child practice picking up and placing small materials, which helps with precision and motor skills. 3. Lacing ghosts. Cut out a ghost shape from cardstock, punch holes around the edges, and let your preschoolers sew yarn through the holes. It's an excellent way to practice fine motor skills in a fun and spooky way. Want more creative activities like this? Be sure to check out my Halloween crafts playlist in the description below. How can you create a glow-in-the-dark Halloween craft with safe, kid-friendly materials? Glow-in-the-dark crafts are always a hit with kids. Here are 3 safe, kid-friendly ideas for adding a glowing touch to your Halloween celebrations. 1. Glow stick lanterns. Fill mason jars with glow sticks for a magical glowing lantern effect. It's a safe, non-toxic way to light up your Halloween night. 2. Glow-in-the-dark spider webs. Use glow-in-the-dark puff paint to draw spider webs on black paper. When the lights go out, your spooky spider webs will come to life. 3. Glowing ghost balloons. Simply place glow sticks inside white balloons and draw ghost faces on the outside. Hang them in your house for a fun and eerie glow. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more glowing ideas just like these. What are some eco-friendly Halloween crafts that involve natural materials? You can embrace the spooky spirit while being kind to the environment with these eco-friendly Halloween crafts using natural materials. 1. Leaf ghosts. Collect large, dry leaves, paint them white, and draw spooky ghost faces on them. Hang them around your home or in trees outside. 2. Pinecone spiders. Grab some pine cones from the yard, attach pipe cleaners as legs, and glue on googly eyes for a cute yet spooky spider craft. 3. Pumpkin seed art. After carving pumpkins, save the seeds to create unique Halloween-themed mosaics. Just glue them onto construction paper in the shape of pumpkins, ghosts, or witches. Want to see more eco-friendly crafts? Check the description for similar videos. How can kids make personalized Halloween cards or decorations? Personalization always adds a special touch. Here are 3 ways kids can make unique, personalized Halloween cards or decorations. 1. Handprint ghost cards. Using white paint, have kids stamp their handprint on the front of a card. Once dry, they can add eyes and a spooky message inside for a personalized Halloween greeting. 2. Photo jack-o'-lanterns. Cut out pumpkin shapes from orange paper and let kids glue on a photo of themselves as the face. Decorate the pumpkin with markers, glitter, and stickers for a fun, personalized decoration. 3. Name and lights banners. Let kids create a string of paper lights where each light bulb has a letter of their name, spelling it out across the banner. They can decorate each light with Halloween colors and themes. Looking for the materials used in this video? Check the description to get everything you need to make these crafts. What are some creative, interactive Halloween crafts for school classrooms or groups? When crafting with a group, it's all about teamwork and creativity. Here are 3 engaging craft ideas perfect for classrooms or Halloween parties. 1. Collaborative Halloween mural. Cover a large sheet of butcher paper with a spooky scene, haunted house, graveyard, etc., and let each child add their own creative touch, whether it's drawing ghosts, pumpkins, or bats. 2. Provide paper bags and let kids create their own Halloween monster puppets using construction paper, markers, and googly eyes. Afterward, they can put on a puppet show. 3. DIY trick-or-treat bags. Let kids decorate their own paper or fabric bags with Halloween stickers, markers, and stamps. Not only are they fun to make, but they're perfect for trick-or-treating too. Share this video with your fellow teachers and parents for more fun group craft ideas.